What's up, what's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take the Mustang, do a few small fixes, and then we're going to go and beat up on it. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so no, we haven't shown underneath the hood in a long time. Just a reminder, supposedly a 331. Highly doubt it. I think it's just a stock bottom end, or stock long block, really, 302. It's got a cam, intake, throttle body, injectors, blah 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 blah. So we just put the C4 in this car. Everything's going good. So a few things we did, we do kind of half-assed just to make sure that everything's working right. So one thing is the trans cooler is just zip tied up there in place. So we got to fix that. We really shouldn't be driving too much on that. I mean, we have drove it back and forth to work a few times. So we ran to Vance, and we got the go-to trans cooler mount. These are perfect for this type of trans cooler. So it just basically goes through the radiator with a plastic piece at the end, and then mounts the trans cooler directly to the radiator. Now if we was running our derail that I was thinking about putting on here, that's really for the duster, we would have to mount it, you know, somewhere where, you know, we put the fan and stuff on it. But since this car isn't making a lot of power, trans shouldn't get that hot. That should be sufficient. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut all these zip ties, put it up to the radiator, try to find somewhere where the fan is not hitting or come even close to it, and just slide those things through, and then boom, first fix done. And just like that, she's mounted. So I got this side going through the fins on the end. Now this is a I mean, it's a little bit old school unit, but it's a triple pass, so you can't stick it through the actual fins like you can in the radiator. So on this side it's just stuck through the end fins, which it can go through, and then this side I was actually able to use the bolt holes. So couldn't use the bolt holes up on here because when this was on the duster, kind of cut those off. But threw it in there crooked because I didn't know which way would be best, if it would be here or down here at the bottom where it get the most air. So I kind of got a little bit crooked in there, plus you can't really see it. So oh yeah, step one fixed. Alright guys, so back out, driving old girl. Oh, I ain't never been this way before, so that's a closed road. Okay. Alright, hopefully you can hear me now. I'll turn down the radio. So the worst part about this whole C4 swap is the loss of overdrive. So third gear is a 1-to-1. So highway speeds, like speed limit 70 on the interstate. I roll like 60, 65. That puts me right around 32, 33. So according to all the calculators online, remember we was wondering about the gear, it's a 410. Because right now, look, I'm going 35 at 20, Was not looking forward to that. And then also, if you remember back, there was an issue with the car starting. This video here. I'm not quite sure what this is. This is a new problem. All right, so that's first gear. What that was is the ignition switch is going bad. So like to turn it to the run position, and whenever you let off of it, it would fall out and lose connectivity. So like the car wasn't getting ignition, right? The ECU wasn't staying on, the cool wasn't powered, none of that stuff. I just bypassed that and put it on a switch down here. Whatever, it works for now. So I'm happy with the way the car is running right now. Obviously it could be a little bit better. The bands are, the forward band in this car is obviously a little tight, because whenever you downshift into second, it's a hard hit. So probably do a little adjusting on the band, make it less hard. So yeah, we're just cruising. I'll find a spot up here somewhere. Might be able to get like a quick, 8-mile hit. So let's drive out. We'll pull up the TRC app and see if we can make a hit. Alright guys, so we got our TRC app pulled up. We're stopped on the middle of the road. We're just about to send it for 8 miles, see what happens. That might have been a bad idea. We got leakage, we got smoke, we got tons of leakage. It pulled hard. So on the street it ran at 873. But we heard it somehow. Don't know what's leaking or how it's leaking or why it's leaking. I don't know where it's coming from, but there's a gigantic cloud of smoke. Yep. I'm trying to use the camera to figure out where it's coming from. I don't really know. It appears to be from the front somewhere. Oh my god. Actually, I think I might know. Yep. That would be the dipstick tube up there. Huh. And just like that, guys, we are back home. I think I left the video off saying that it was good and that I think it was the fluid dipstick leaking, but no sirree, Bob. It appears the front sump, front sump, the pump is just pouring fluid out of it in between the pump and the bell housing. So trans is coming back out. So hey me. Thank God my sister was here to help push it on the trailer. But well, that's gonna do it for us. Appreciate it. Remember, leave a like for my misery. Like for my misery. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Peace.